Week 3, lesson 2. Find a nourishing creative activity you can do with little effort and preparation. This is a very important part of the journey to finding your ultimate creative activity for self-care, because if something is not easy for you to do on a regular basis, you're not going to do it. And so the only way to create a habit is to make such small steps that the day after or the week after, you have enough resources, mental and physical, to make another step. So that's why your assignment here is to plan a nourishing creative ritual. What does it mean? Here are your action items. Look at the mind map you made for the previous assignment. Choose one creative activity that feels like self-care and you can regularly practice at home with little time, effort, and preparation. Make recurring appointments in your calendar for a creative self-care session for yourself. Choose realistic duration and frequency for the sessions to create a sustainable habit. So you go over what you came up with as creative activities that feel nourishing and nurturing either for your mind and your body, and you choose the one that you see yourself doing over and over and over again, almost on autopilot, because if you choose something that's so easy for you to do, you're going to be motivated to do it again and again. And so the easier you make it for yourself to spend time in a creative space, the more likely it is for you to accomplish a state of flow, or just clear your mental cache, or feed your soul if you're an aesthetic person. So choose something that for you is go-to. It can happen in the kitchen, it can happen in the bedroom, it can happen in your yard, depending on where you are in your life, what you're working with, and what you're into. Choose the thing that can become your go-to creative self-care activity. Here are some examples that you can use for sessions. For instance, you can put in your calendar Wednesdays and Fridays, save that slot from 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. on Wednesdays and Fridays. That's your time for morning coffee and doodling with the favorite Spotify playlist. And if you can do that, you put it in your calendar, you commit to that like you commit to a work meeting, and you follow the plan. If you struggle to follow the plan, find a buddy and work it out with them. Maybe you do it together, just over WhatsApp, or just texting each other a picture of what you're doing.